Do you want to add university in Facebook? You can add university education in Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a university on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the Edit Profile icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the Education section and tap on the Secondary School or College option. Now, a pop-up menu will open. From the pop-up, select Add University. A new screen will open. Type your university name in the search box. Now, select the correct university from the list. Enter other details like your field of study and time period if needed. Once done, tap the Save button. Now, your university will be added to your Facebook profile.